How to fix invite collaborator option not showing. So first go to your Instagram application and then just tap on create button and here select any picture or video and then press on next and then tap on tag people. So here you can see I don't have any option to invite collaborator, but we can tag anyone. So just tap on done and go back to your Instagram and then just tap on your profile, and after coming to profile just tap on the three lines which you can see on the top right and then go to your settings. After coming into settings tap on privacy and here you can see our account is private. Just public your account and now restart your application. Now again tap on create button and now post your any video or photo and then again go to tag people. So now you can see we have an option to invite a collaborator. So subscribe to this channel for more how to videos like this.